Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. So this channel is all about learning JavaScript step by step so you can build real projects. Today we are starting with lesson 1, creating a simple web page and printing our first message using JavaScript. So let's build it together. So first I'll create a new HTML called index.html. Every HTML file starts with the doc type HTML declaration. So let's write doc type HTML. So this is the document type. It knows that this is the HTML file. So next I'll add an HTML, and we should add the closing tag as well, HTML, and also set the language here. So let's add lang English. So I'm writing this language English so browser and screen readers know the page content is in English, which improves accessibility and SEO. So this is for the SEO purpose. So inside this HTML, we have head and body. So first we should add the head tag. So this is the head tag. Inside that head tag, I'll define the character set and the page title. So let's first define the character set. Let's add a meta tag, and this is the closing tag. Our set is equals to UTF-8. I added character set UTF-8 to make sure the page displays every character correctly, including symbols and non-English letters. So let's also add a title which will show on our HTML tab. So let's add a JavaScript lesson 1, and let's add a body tag, body. In the body I'm adding a heading so our page has some physical content. So let's add h1 JavaScript lesson 1, and let's add a paragraph as well. Open the console to see the message. And finally, I'm linking the new JavaScript file called script.js. So this line will tell the browser to load the JavaScript. So let's add script src /script.js. We will create that file later, and this is the closing tab. Okay, so to see the changes instantly, I'm using the live preview extension, so everything we can see live automatically. When we add updates, we should see live changes here. You can download that extension from this extension tab and just type it live server, and this extension will appear and you can install that. To see that live preview, just right click that index.html file and open with live server. You can see here are our live status of HTML. So right now there is no code of script. So now I'll create the script.js file in the same folder. Let's type script.js. Let's start by logging a greeting to the console. So let's type console.log and put any message here. I say assalamu alaikum JavaScript, welcome to DeveloperMaroof. Maybe this. So console.log prints text in the browser's developer console, which is super helpful for debugging and learning. So let's see its output. Let's refresh our live preview and right click on the screen and select inspect. Open the console tab, you can see here is our console message, Assalamu alaikum JavaScript. So this is the same message we put here in the script.js. So let's add one more console here. Let's say this is lesson 1. It's already suggesting a message, so let's keep that. As you can see, it's changing live. If it's not changing, you should save this. Just put Control S, or if you are in Mac, you should press Command S to save the file, and it will change live. You can see the live changes. We can add multiple logs as much as we need. We can also add other log. Let's say hello world. You can see it's showing hello world. So that's it for lesson 1. We set up a simple web page and wrote JavaScript that print messages. In the next video, we will explore variables so you can store data in your programs. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends who wants to learn JavaScript. Jazakallahu khair for watching. Allah Hafiz.